An AI-powered robot just flawlessly performed gallbladder surgeries. In Beijing, humanoid robots played the world's first all-robot football match. Amazon's million-strong robotic army just got a powerful AI brain. Intel spun off RealSense into a $50 million robotics startup. An eerie, lifelike robot painted King Charles. Hugging Face launched a programmable desktop droid for just $300. Oh, and Figure AI says humanoids will soon fill our homes. Yep, all of this happened. Let's dive in.
Researchers at Johns Hopkins just made the impossible real. They developed an AI surgical robot that successfully removed gallbladders without a human hand ever touching it. Zero errors, full autonomy. The system began as the familiar Da Vinci research kit, but was supercharged with a deep learning model. The result? A new surgical platform called SRTH, short for Surgical Robot Transformer Hierarchy. Unlike earlier systems that required precise instructions or manual control, this one learned like a med student. It watched hours of real surgeries, just raw video, to figure out how skilled surgeons work, react, and adapt. Then they tested it on advanced human-like models with synthetic organs that mimic real tissue. And this wasn't just motion mimicry. The robot performed full procedures across 8 surgeries. 17 individual tasks: identifying ducts, placing microscopic clips, cutting tissue with surgical scissors. Even more impressive, it adapted to unexpected differences in tissue and responded to verbal instructions from the surgical team. Thanks to transformer-based AI, like the tech behind ChatGPT, it completed every surgery perfectly. No mistakes. Sure, it was slower than a human, but just as precise. That's a huge leap from older systems like STAR, which could only operate on pigs, with heavy guidance and pre-marked lines. SRTH worked freely, made real-time decisions, and executed tasks based on actual understanding. Researchers say it's no longer just about repeating steps. This robot shows judgment, and they believe with more training it could handle real patients, soon, and maybe with almost no supervision. Sounds wild? After this, it doesn't feel so far off anymore. In Beijing's Yizhuang zone, humanoid robots took the field in China's first ever all-robot football tournament. 4 teams of Booster Robotics bots played full matches, no human controllers in sight. Each squad ran with 3 active bots and 1 sub, competing in 2 10-minute halves. These bots could spot a ball from 20 meters away, track teammates, read the field lines, and decide when to pass or shoot. In the final match, Tsinghua University edged out China Agricultural University 5-3. Yes, collisions were allowed as long as no one coded dirty moves. Organizers compared their skill to that of kindergartners. Clumsy, sure, but that's not the point. The breakthrough here is total autonomy. Founder Cheng Hao is already imagining hybrid matches, humans versus robots, but says safety is the top priority. And with the pace of vision and control algorithm development, that sci-fi game might show up on next year's calendar. Amazon just deployed its 1 millionth robot at a fulfillment center in Japan. Robots now work almost one-to-one with humans across 300-plus global facilities. But the real upgrade? Deep Fleet, a generative AI model that orchestrates the entire robotic fleet. It manages traffic, reschedules tasks in real time, and cuts travel time by 10%. That means faster deliveries, lower costs, and smoother workflows. Amazon says the bots aren't replacing people, they're handling the heavy lifting while workers upskill into tech roles. Since 2019, over 700,000 employees have moved through training to maintain or program the robots zipping past them. Intel just spun off its RealSense division into a standalone company, backed by $50 million from MediaTek and Intel Capital. The new CEO, Nardov Orbach, formerly led Intel's innovation unit. Now he's leading a team of 130 engineers focused on advancing depth-sensing cameras already used in drones, factories, and even lawnmowers. Their goal, build AI that's safer, simpler, and plug-and-play ready. Intel still holds a stake, but it's clear physical AI is the future, and they want to move fast before someone else does. AI art just hit royalty. AI Da, a hyper-realistic humanoid with hazel eyes and a robotic bob, revealed a portrait of King Charles titled Algorithm King. The robot can swap tools depending on the medium, and last year painted Alan Turing. The piece sold for over $1 million. But this isn't about profit. AI Da explains every stroke with thoughtful intent, meant to spark conversation around responsible innovation. The portrait honors King Charles' work in environmentalism and interfaith dialogue. Creator Aidan Meller teamed up with Oxford and Birmingham AI researchers in 2019, building AI Da as an ethical art experiment, not competition for human painters, but a challenger to our definition of creativity. So what blew your mind the most? The AI surgeon, football-playing bots, or a painting robot with royal flair? Let me know in the comments. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video to support the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.